Hello and welcome to TLRY. Closed below the 10 EMA. So let's take a look at that. Yeah, they close above the 10 EMA. But we have a spinning top, and even though the lower wick is not as deep as the top wick, it's still it's still part of the doji family on the long side fringe, and we call it a spinning top. Our next situation will be we have here a low at 1280, and our stop is 1250. Our stop is there at 1250. That's our stop. So let me move it over there. There's the initial, and that's the initial stop. We never got an opportunity to move across the 1605, which was our entry point, to get an EPS stop. So as has been said in the last couple of weeks of trading of tracking the stock, tracking this trade, there's nothing we can do much but just wait it out. The interesting point is that these stochastics came lower point, bounced up, and then is now here at 29, and our point down here was just above, probably 11. So the thing would be is to see that maybe there might be some stochastic resistance here that might support this to avoid getting stopped out and then getting back on track. This is a DTE trade. That means we are going to be here until either we get stopped out at 1250, which we already know from Friday's video that I was resigned to the fact that this happened on Friday, and I was resigned to the fact that we get stopped out on Monday, and look what happened on Monday. So never say never in the stock market, because the market will do what it does, and all we have to do is flow with the punches. So that said, it's a matter of the waiting time. Either we're going to hit that 1250, get stopped out, or we're going to turn around and get right back up and move on forward. And we do still have until December 17th. This trade is going to be sitting here unless now there is an adjustment to the DTE, as I mentioned in my first video, and after experiencing that we hit 10x on KR and did not take that profit. And in retrospect, getting a 10x on a trade is really phenomenal. Paul Tudor Jones is a real proponent of that. He'll take a $1 million risk to make $10 million. That's one of the actual statements that he made in back almost 20 years ago when he did a documentary on him. So there we are. We're just sit it out, wait it out, and that's pretty much the end of the report for TLRY until we see what happens next. And with that, I thank you very much for stopping by and checking it out. Be well, take care.